I'm going to show you this equity curve. Would everyone like to trade that? Would everyone like that equity curve? That's a real equity curve. You know which equity curve that is? That's the growth portfolio. What about that one? 13 trades. You want to get up here and do this talk? That's the same portfolio. Okay? That journey is simply a part of that journey. When you go and see all the glossy ads in the paper where you see the equity curves, and there's a great ad, it always appears in, I think it's Stocks and Commodities magazine in the US. There's one system there, they always advertise with this ripper equity curve, and of course it just gets everyone in. But that's what they're showing you. They're showing, you know, several thousand trades. What they don't show you is what can happen in the short term. So I talked about the journey driving from Sydney to Brisbane. Well, there's your traffic jam. You're sitting in traffic, 13 losing trades in a row. So if I show everyone that, yeah, you all want a piece of that, no problems at all, Nick. Thanks very much. Just here's my bank details. Just put it in there. And then when this happens, all of a sudden things go a little pear-shaped. Because what happens is you get this situation. I call this the beginner's cycle. It's in my course. This is why so many people come backwards and go around and around doing these seminars. I have a lady who came to me, she spent something like $19,000. She's bought all the software on the planet, she's done all the seminars, she has been for 6 years, and she's still a losing trader. Because what happens is she probably has come across a positive expectancy system right from the word go, but hasn't allowed it to occur, hasn't allowed it to make its money. In other words, she's probably started at a bad point of time, had a bad experience, 3 or 4 losing trades in a row. That's all it takes. Just turn it off. This is garbage. Go somewhere else. Same thing's going to happen there. You might have 2 winning trades, 5 losers. Oh, this is garbage. Turn it off. Start again. And they go around and around and around. But if you understand expectancy, it doesn't matter about the system you're trading, but if you understand expectancy and why you're going to make money, this will be less of an issue for you. So you should be able to see it out.